How does a load equalizer fix motorcycle LED hyperflashing? Imagine your motorcycle turn signals suddenly flashing faster than a race car at the starting line. That's what hyperflashing looks like, and it can be pretty distracting. When you swap out your old incandescent bulbs for bright, energy-efficient LED bulbs, you might notice this faster blinking. It's not a malfunction, but a signal from your bike's electrical system that something is different. Your motorcycle's turn signals relying on a device called a flasher relay. This relay controls how fast the lights blink. It works by monitoring the electrical load, which is how much current the bulbs draw. Traditional incandescent bulbs draw a certain amount of current, and the relay is set to blink at a normal rate based on that. But LED bulbs use much less current, sometimes only a fraction of what incandescent bulbs need. Because the relay sees this lower current, it thinks a bulb has burned out or is missing. To warn you, it makes the turn signals flash faster. This is a built-in safety feature, but it can be annoying when you want a sleek, modern look with your LED upgrades. That's where a load equalizer comes into play. It's a small device, often called a load resistor, that you wire into your motorcycle's turn signal circuit. Its job is to add resistance back into the circuit, mimicking the electrical load of the original incandescent bulb. When you install a load equalizer, it tricks the flasher relay into thinking the normal amount of current is flowing. As a result, your turn signals go back to their regular flashing speed. This fix is pretty simple and usually involves wiring the resistor in parallel with the LED turn signal. Most riders install it near the light housing at the rear of the bike. Keep in mind, because the resistor generates some heat, it's best to mount it away from flammable parts. Some newer motorcycles have electronic or smart flasher relays that can automatically adapt to LED bulbs. These relays can recognize the lower current and adjust without needing a load equalizer. Sometimes, cycling the hazard lights or resetting the system helps the electronics learn the new load. But for most bikes, especially older models, a load equalizer is the most reliable way to fix hyperflashing. Using a load equalizer not only solves the flashing problem but also keeps your bike looking sharp with bright, eye-catching LED lights. It's a simple upgrade that makes your lighting both functional and stylish, fitting perfectly into your maintenance and customization plans. Plus, it helps your signals stay visible and consistent, which is always a good thing for safety.